30 plus basic daily routine questions and their corresponding answers in English.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is baseball.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I am allergic to peanuts.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is The Big Bang Theory.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is wine.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I drive a car.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is grapes.
How do you relax?
I relax by meditation.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak French.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is vanilla cupcakes.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Where do you usually shop for groceries?
I shop at Urban Grocers.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, my favorite restaurant is the Heritage Grill.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is strawberry.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to grab a drink with some friends.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you enjoy your daily routine?
Yes, I find it fulfilling.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work every day.
How long is your commute?
My commute takes about 30 minutes.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you check your phone before sleeping?
Yes, I usually check my messages and social media before sleeping.
What is your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is the evening, when I can relax and unwind.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. Do you want to hang out?
How's everything going with you?
Everything's good, just staying busy. How about you?
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
How's the weather treating you?
It's quite pleasant.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is going on family vacations.
Favorite social media platform?
My favorite social media platform is Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel.